Hurricane season is here. Our 2022 Hurricane Guide is out because it is June 1st and you really got to prepare.
Yeah, it's a cost of living on the Gulf Coast.
Yeah,
it is.
Got to pay attention to the weather. We're watching it carefully tonight. Got a spot out there that we're keeping an eye on. This is the forecast from the Hurricane Center. They're forecasting as many as 21 named storms again this year. It'd be the second year in a row we had 21 if that verifies. Average is 14. Why so many storms? Well, last year and this year it's the same setup. We've got temperatures in the Atlantic Basin, the Gulf, the Caribbean, the open Atlantic that are running above normal, so there's plenty of energy to fuel developing storms. But really what you need are the mid and upper level winds to be light to cooperate. And because we have a La Nina in the Pacific, that usually leads to lighter mid-level and upper level winds across the Atlantic Basin, and that leads to more storms. That being said, the two spots that we're actually watching out here, one out here in the open Atlantic, 10% chance, and then the spot here moving into the Gulf, 80% chance, are both interacting with some mid and upper level wind shear at the moment, and that may limit their development. Here's why. A healthy storm, a storm that's going to get strong and develop, needs to develop vertically, stacked on top of itself. If you get shear, it tilts the whole storm over, and that can rip storms apart or keep them from forming in the first place. That's why the mid-level winds and upper-level winds are so important, and when they're light, like La Nina, you can get a lot of them. Here's our spot trying to develop. It's not showing any significant signs of rotation. I don't see any really organization out here. We got a couple clusters of thunderstorms out here. However, again, environmental conditions, other than that moderate wind shear, are looking good for development. And the computer models have latched onto this. This is the European, but it mirrors the American GFS as well in developing some sort of circulation going into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday morning, and pushing a lopsided system struggling in that sheared environment into southern Florida. They'll get 5 to 7 inches of rain out of that. We won't get any rain from that, but this approaching frontal boundary not only helping to push that storm away from us, but bringing a rain chance to Houston for the next couple of days. Take a look. So this evening we had one lone thunderstorm up here near Beat Eyes in northern Grimes County. That's now fizzled out. Good evening, Beat Eyes. The rest of us are quiet. Look at West Texas. Thunderstorms are erupting. There's a piece of energy in a front out here, and that will be pushing in here tomorrow. So let's time it. In the morning, 7 a.m., maybe an isolated little shower. Not that much, though, but watch. By noon and 1 o'clock, look at the rain coming in from the northwest. That's that front approaching. It's widespread scattered showers across the Houston area by 3 and 4 o'clock. It pushes to the Galveston coast by 5 o'clock, off the coast by 6, 7, 8 o'clock. So it's going to be kind of a midday, mid-afternoon chance for rain and thunderstorms. You'll want to have an umbrella just in case. I've raised the rain chance to 60% going into the afternoon and evening. We'll still make 91. The extended forecast, another 40% rain chance Friday. Then we dry out and it gets hot Saturday and Sunday, mid-90s. That forecast continues into next week. So tracking rain chances tomorrow and keeping an eye on the Gulf.
All right, we told you at the beginning, we're going to tell you again, hurricane season is here. Our 2022 Hurricane Guide has everything you need to know to best prepare you and your family. You can download it at khou.com/hurricane or text the word weather to 713-526-1111.